What is the approximate cost of installing a tankless water heater compared to a traditional one?
Hello there. Today we'll be comparing the costs of installing a tankless water heater to a traditional tank-style water heater. The discussion will cover installation costs, energy efficiency, and long-term savings to help you make an informed decision.
What's the installation cost?
Let's start with the upfront cost. The cost of installing a traditional tank-style water heater ranges from $800 to $1,500, depending on the size and the type of the unit. On the other hand, the cost of installing a tankless water heater is typically higher, ranging from $1,500 to $3,000. This higher cost is due to several factors like the complexity of the installation, additional electrical outlets or gas lines that may be required, and often the need for upgraded water lines.
What about energy efficiency?
The next thing to consider is energy efficiency. Tankless water heaters are generally more energy efficient than traditional ones because they heat water on demand rather than maintaining a tank full of hot water. This means less energy is wasted, potentially leading to significant savings on your energy bills in the long run.
How about long-term savings?
Over time, the savings from a tankless water heater can offset the higher initial cost. These heaters are also known for their longer lifespan, often up to 20 years or more, compared to the 10 to 15 years for traditional water heaters. That's a lot of extra time you won't need to worry about replacing your heater. In conclusion, while tankless water heaters have a higher upfront cost, they can prove to be more cost-effective in the long run due to their energy efficiency and longer lifespan. We hope this information helps you make an informed decision about the best type of water heater for your home. Stay warm and save wisely.